Hey there, it's Mindy from simplymindy.com, and today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do. I wanted to give a review of this timber grip wood glue. It's my first time using it. I'm making some picture ledges for my master bedroom makeover, which will be coming up very soon. But I wanted to try this out for this project. I'm not going to use any kind of fasteners, no screws, nails, or anything to put these together, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts on this. So this wood glue is made by Beacon, and you can find it on their website. I looked it up, I couldn't find it anywhere else, and I don't think I've seen it in stores. It was actually sent to me. I won it in a giveaway on Instagram, and I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I wanted to try it out because I have it and I haven't opened it yet. But yeah, if you wanted to try it, it's on Beacon's website. So let's go ahead and try it. And it does say it's for interior and exterior, water and weather resistant, sandable, paintable, and stainable, sets fast, water cleanup, reinforced with real wood. So I'm curious about that. I have tried other wood glues, so let's see how this holds up. It does feel nice and thick in my hands, so that's a good sign. So what I'm doing is, what's this? I'm gonna make 4 like mini picture ledges. And so I just have some pieces of 1x2 pine cut to size, and I'm gonna attach them like this. And then this is a piece of, I forget what it's called. Let me look it up here. I took a picture of it at Home Depot. It is called, let's see if I can focus, General Purpose Stop Pine. So it's like a finishing piece, and I thought it would work well with the size of picture ledge that I wanted to make. So that's what this is. So I'm making 4 different sizes. As you see here, I'm making a 20-inch ledge, a 15-inch, and then a 10 and an 8. So I have a piece of parchment paper here that I like to use when I'm gluing, small wood projects so that it doesn't stick to my surface. So this does say make sure your surface is clean, dry, free of oil, grease, and old glue. And this is, new, just cut wood. I haven't done anything to it, so that's fine. Apply to both surfaces. Firmly join surfaces together and clamp for 30 to 60 minutes. And set time will vary depending upon conditions. And then allow to dry overnight for best bond. So I'm going to apply this to both sides of my wood. And you should generally do this when you're applying wood, is spread it evenly so that your glue sets properly and your entire surface is bonded together. Alright. Set my wood on this edge, and this is how my picture ledge is going to come together. And this piece will be against the wall, and then this will be the front edge, so that once I put a frame or something on there, it won't fall off. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece on, and then I'll add my clamps. Okay, and that's actually already sticking. So I'm just going to make sure it's all level and straight and even. And I'll go ahead and add my clamps. And then to remove any of this excess, you can use a damp rag to clean that up. So I'm gonna clean this up, make sure it's all level and even, and then I'll come back once it's dry. So it's been a little over a half hour, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clamps. Let's see how we did. So I'm not applying too much pressure because it hasn't, set for 24 hours, but it's clearly not coming apart easily. I will say it didn't give me a lot of time to adjust with this, so you have to take that into account when gluing. You want to do it kind of quickly. But as far as strength, it's pretty good. So there's my little mini picture ledge. I'm going to go ahead and glue up the rest of these, and I will show you these when I'm all done, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the timber grip. So I am pretty happy with this product. The only negative I have is what I mentioned before about, the short time you have to set up your project and clamp and everything like that. So that's something to keep in mind when doing, larger projects and, having to glue larger pieces of wood together. Just keeping in mind that it does start to dry pretty quickly, so you may not be able to say, glue more than one piece or two pieces together at a time. But as far as strength and durability so far, and dry time and things like that, I give it a thumbs up. I will continue using this. Of course, I have to, you know, let it fully cure for 24 hours to get the maximum strength of it. I do plan on hanging these on the wall. I don't plan on putting anything heavy on these, so, you know, that's something to keep in mind if you are going to use these for... These are pretty small anyway, but if you were, you know, making larger ledges for, you know, heavier items, you may want to consider adding screws or nails to, you know, add to the strength of it. But for this purpose, I think this is great, and I would recommend it. I'll try to go ahead and link to Beacon's website. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. I'll see if I can link their website. I did go back and look, and you can get it on Amazon, but it's sold in bulk. So to get it, you know, in a single bottle, you do have to go on their website to purchase, from what I saw online. So those are my picture ledges for my master bedroom. I will get these up on the wall and I'll show you what they look like. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe for more home decor on a budget. Thanks, guys.